You think you are lifting your face, but what if I tell you that daily routine you found on YouTube is actually speeding up your aging process?
Welcome to Daniele Lima method.
I know this sounds controversial. I need to tell you the shocking truth that influencers are not telling you. Your face is unique. Trying to copy a generic exercise is like trying to wear someone else's prescription glasses. It won't work, and it might damage your vision. Today, I'm revealing the face yoga trap and how to avoid it. If you care about your skin's future, do not skip a second of this video. Let's get technical for a moment. The way they should but don't. Face yoga isn't just about moving muscles. It's about understanding the complex structure of fascia, fat pads, and bones. Generic videos focus on muscle engagement only. But did you know that over-exercising certain muscles can increase tension and deepen expressions lines? For example, if you overwork your depressor anguli oris, the muscle that pulls your mouth down, you are literally training your face to look sadder and older. This is why a simple tutorial from a 20-year-old influencer is dangerous for a 40-year-old facial structure. Another huge myth is that more is better. YouTube is full of 30-minute face yoga challenge videos. This is another trap. Your facial muscles are delicate. If you overtrain them, you cause inflammation and lose natural volume in the wrong places. In my method, the Daniele Lima method, we focus on precision, not repetition. You don't need 30 minutes. You need the right 5 minutes for your specific anatomy. The goal is balance, not just movement. Following a generic plan is a guarantee of creating new asymmetries. This is the core problem. Generalization. When you search for face yoga for jawline, you get a video for all jawlines. But is yours naturally square? Heart-shaped? Do you have tension from TMJ? A generic video doesn't ask you this question. It just gives you an exercise. In my years of practice and study, I learned that a successful anti-aging protocol must start with a diagnostic facial analysis. This is why my one-on-one mentorship is so exclusive. We spend the first session understanding your face structure before a single muscle is engaged. I've seen clients who did face yoga for a year with 0 results, and some who actually made their nasolabial folds deeper. But once we implemented a personalized plan, they saw changes in 6 weeks. Why? Because we corrected the tension imbalance that was causing the sagging. We didn't do more exercise, we did the right exercise. The only way to ensure results is through a professional, individual assessment. You have a choice today. You can keep falling into the face yoga trap, copying random videos and hoping for a miracle, or you can choose the professional path. You can choose a method that treats your face with the respect and precision it deserves. My one-on-one mentorship is designed for women who value quality and results over generic content. If you are ready for a rejuvenation journey made only for you, click the link in the description to apply. Stop guessing and start a program that is guaranteed to work your face. See you on the inside.